Welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing class 11 chapter 3 trigonometric functions. We are continuing the chapter trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. In the last video I discussed what is cos of x plus y and we proved that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now using this we will find the remaining identities. That is, we will replace y by minus y. So what happens in this identity? This become cos of x plus, instead of y I am putting minus y, equal to cos x into cos of minus y minus sin x into sin of minus y. And that is equal to this plus into minus is minus. So cos of x minus y equal to cos x into cos of minus y. Cos is even function, so cos of minus y is cos y itself. So cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin of minus y means it is minus sin y because sin is an odd function. So sin of minus y is minus sin y. So that minus of minus become plus into sin x into sin y. So reason is sin of minus y is equal to minus sin y because it is an odd function. Cos x is an even function. So we got the next identity. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So study along with this. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now in the next one we are going on to, it is we are replacing x by pi by 2 and y by x in the above identity. In this identity I am replacing x by pi by 2. Instead of x I am putting pi by 2. Instead of y I am putting x in the identity 2, in the second identity. So we will get that as cos of, instead of x it is pi by 2, instead of y it is x, is equal to, same way here also we have to substitute. So cos, instead of x we are putting pi by 2, instead of y we are putting x. Same way sin pi by 2 sin x. We are replacing x by pi by 2 and y by x. So cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to, how much is cos, what is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 means it is cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So this part is 0. Remaining sin pi by 2 is 1 into sin x. So the answer is sin x. So the third identity which you have to learn is cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. So first one cos of x minus, cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Second one is cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Third one, cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Now next one which we are learning is, that's a fourth one. We should get the result sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. So how we are getting? So take the third identity. What is the third identity? Third identity is cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x, or I can write it as sin x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. Now instead of here we should get, instead of x it is pi by 2 minus x in the question, in the identity. That identity we are going to find. So I am substituting, instead of x I am putting pi by 2 minus x. So replace x by pi by 2 minus x. So we are getting sin of pi by 2 minus x equal to cos of pi by 2 minus, instead of x what we have to put, pi by 2 minus x, and that is equal to cos, opening the bracket, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus x, and pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 getting cancelled. we are getting the answer cos x. So what is the identity? Sine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x is the next identity which you have to learn. That is the fourth one. Now next one is fifth identity we are going to study is what is sine of x plus y, and we have to prove that it is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x into sine y. So from where we have to start? We have to start with sine of x plus y, and sine of x plus y, instead of pi by 2 minus x, we are going to find what is sine of x plus y. So how to change that? How can you replace that? So we have to substitute. We have to find what is sine of x plus y. So what we have to do? We have to substitute sine of x plus y is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. And that is equal to, so there we have already studied the result. We have studied the result, sin x equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. That is which identity? Third identity is sin x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. Sin x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. So in this result I am putting, instead of x I am writing as x plus y. Same way cos of pi by 2 minus, instead of x I am writing x plus y. So this can be written as sine of x plus y is equal to cos of, I am opening the bracket, that is pi by 2 minus x minus y. This together. Then already we have studied cos of x minus y. What is cos of x minus y? It is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So this you have to take it as a single first element, and this is a second element. So cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So here also applying the same thing, cos of pi by 2 minus x into cos y. So this you have to take it as the first term. This is the second term. So cos of pi by 2 minus x into cos y plus sin of pi by 2 minus x into sin y. Simplifying this, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Sin x into cos y, then sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x plus cos x sin y. So what is the identity for sine of x plus y? Sine of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and that is the fifth identity. Now same way, sixth one, we can replace y by minus y. Replace y by minus y. So what is the answer we are getting? Instead of y, if we are replacing by minus y, this identity become sine of x minus y is equal to sin x into cos of minus y is again cos y, then plus cos x into sine of minus y is minus sin y. So minus cos x into sin y. So this is another identity, that is for sine of x minus y. Now next one, cos of pi by 2 plus x. Now how to find out this identity, cos of pi by 2 plus x? For that, consider what is cos of x plus y. What is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y, and that is equal to cos pi by 2. Here we need to find out what is cos pi by 2 plus x. So instead of x I am putting pi by 2, instead of y it is x. So cos pi by 2 into cos x minus sin pi by 2 into sin x. And cos pi by 2 is 0. So this entire term becomes 0. Then minus sin pi by 2 is 1. and into sin x. So what is the result for cos pi by 2 plus x? Cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. Now, eighth identity, sin of pi by 2 plus x. What is sin of pi by 2 plus x? We have to apply our identity sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Therefore, what is sin of pi by 2 plus x? Equal to sin pi by 2 into cos x plus cos pi by 2 into sin x. Then, the substituting the values, what is sin pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is 1. So, 1 into cos x is cos x and cos pi by 2 is 0. So, this entire term will be 0. So, what is sin of pi by 2 plus x? Sin of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. Then, next one. What is cos pi minus x? Applying the same thing, cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Can apply it here. Cos pi cos x plus sin pi sin x. Since sin pi, all multiples of pi is 0 in the case of sin. So, this part will be 0. Remaining cos pi into cos x. Cos pi is minus 1 into cos x, which is equal to minus cos x. So, cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Next is, what is sin pi minus x? Next one, sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x, which identity we have to apply? Sin of x minus y. Sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Applying that identity, sin pi cos x minus cos pi sin x. And sin pi is 0, so the first term will be 0, then minus cos pi is minus 1 into sin x, and the answer is sin x. So, sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Then, next one. Cos of pi plus x. So, apply cos of x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So, this can be written as cos pi cos x minus sin pi sin x. Since sin pi is 0, this part will be 0. So, remaining cos pi cos x means it is minus 1 into cos x, which is equal to minus cos x. So, cos of pi plus x is equal to minus cos x. Then, next one, what is sin of pi plus x? Sin of pi plus x is equal to sin pi cos x. We are applying the identity sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So, same way here, sin of pi plus x is equal to sin pi cos x plus cos pi sin x. That is equal to sin pi value is 0. So, this part is 0. Remaining cos pi is minus 1. So, minus sin x. So, sin of pi plus x is equal to minus sin x. Next one. 13th. Cos of 2 pi minus x. So, identity cos of x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Same way here. Cos 2 pi cos x plus sin 2 pi sin x. All multiples of pi for sin it will be 0. So, this part will be 0. So, remaining it is cos 2 pi into cos x. Cos 2 pi is 1. So, the answer is cos x. So cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. Then next one, sine of 2 pi minus x. What is sine of 2 pi minus x? Sine of 2 pi minus x is sine of x minus y is equal to sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. So here sine 2 pi into cos x minus cos 2 pi into sin x. And sine 2 pi is 0, so the first part will be 0. This 0 multiplied with any value, it will be 0. So here it is 0, then minus cos pi is 1 into sin x. So what is the identity for sine of 2 pi minus x? Sine of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. Now next one is tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So we have to start with, we have to prove this identity. So how tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So start with tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is equal to sine of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. And we know the identity for sine of x plus y and cos of x plus y. Sine of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And for cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now, in order to make the values each term in terms of tan, so we should get in terms of tan. So I have to divide here by cos x into cos y. So numerator and denominator, divide numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y, and we get tan of x plus y is equal to, so we'll divide each term, that is sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y, same way, plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y by cos x cos y. Each term we are dividing by cos x cos y, minus sin x sin y by cos x cos y. Now here you can see that cos y is common here, so we will get the answer as if you are cancelling this cos y. Here we can cancel cos x, and here both will be cancelled, so remaining 1. So numerator it will be sin x by cos x, which is tan x, plus tan y divided by cos x cos y by cos x cos y is 1, minus sin x by cos x is tan x, sin y by cos y is tan y, so tan x tan y. So what is tan of x plus y? Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Same way, what will be tan of x minus y? It is equal to, instead of y we are putting minus y, so this identity become tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Now next is, we are moving on to cot. Cot of x plus y. Cot of x plus y. How many identities we did now? 15. So this is 16th one. What is cot of x plus y? It is cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. And we know that cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. divided by sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Since it is in terms of, the question is in terms of cot of x plus y, the answer also we need, the identity also we need in terms of cot. So, in order to make here as cot, I need to divide by sin x into sin y. So, divide the numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y. Therefore, cot of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y divided by sin x into sin y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x into sin y whole divided by sin x cos y by sin x sin y plus cos x sin y by sin x sin y. Simplifying, here we can see cos x by sin x is cot x, cos y by sin y is cot y. Then here sin x sin y getting cancelled, remaining 1. So the answer we can write it. This is equal to cot x cot y minus 1. Cot x means cos x by sin x, cot y means cos y by sin y. So cot x cot y minus 1 divided by, here sin x getting cancelled, remaining cot y plus sin y getting cancelled, remaining cot x. So what is the identity for cot of x plus y? Cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Same way we can find out for cot of x minus y also, and that will be here cot of, instead of y we have to put minus y. So the identity will be cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. So just replacing y by minus y. So we'll get the answer as cot of x minus y is equal to cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. So again few more identities are there that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.